Today we're gonna be making carrot cake. Yo Karen, give me 350. Some sugar, vegetable milk, 2 egg yellows, 2 egg whites, 2 egg yellow whites. If you want that extra crunch, just throw in the shells too. Some nut-free coconut, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, yum yum sauce. I don't have any pineapples, so I'm just gonna use some cinnamon. I don't have any raisins, so I'm just gonna microwave some grapes. This cake is for a vegan friend, so I'm just gonna use the pre-shredded kind of carrots. Every time I use one of these, my fingers always get in the way. I microwave raisins, and give it a whirl. Now that you got your soil ready, it's time to add in some flour. You should always mix in the flour last, because the flour can't grow without soil. Be careful not to overmix. If you do, just go the other direction. Yo Pam, where you at, girl? Okay, that's enough. We're gonna put them in the sun for 30 minutes. Next we need icing, but this is all I got. I need vanilla. Butterfly. Some yum yum sauce, some pow pow, and then 6 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna act like I put some in because I don't have any. Nice, I forgot the nuts. So let's add some nuts. And a dash of milk. For maximum aeration, stir as fast as you can. You should have something that looks like this. Done. Rest them up for 5 minutes. After nap time's over, we're gonna go ahead and drop them on with some icing. Some cinnamon. Done.